Neil here from Clean. So we are on a residential property today, which is a bit unusual because they've got fiberglass on their roofing here. As you can see, it looks pretty bad, to say the least. And we're going to clean this up for you. I'll show you, particularly here, the pitched panels are not as bad as the flat panels you see here, which are really, really dirty. So whenever we do this kind of work, we have to use a chemical really to lift and dissolve, and also to kill the mold. So these are the panelings from the top side. You can see they're really pretty severely dirty, but yeah, this gives you a view, and this is the roof on the other side there. So we'll start with a pre-spray, and then with chemical, and then we'll work from there. So as you can see here, I've pre-sprayed. The areas I pre-sprayed, you can see already significantly lightening. That's a really fast reaction that we're getting there, so it's a great sign, and it goes to show that we're already starting to get things working, and that's the joy of using chemical to clean. Hi everyone, it's Neil here. So this is the in progress. You can see where I've cleaned there. It's coming up beautiful. This is not high pressure. There's hot water, as you can see. It's smoking hot water. I can put my hand in front of that spray, it wouldn't damage my hand. So I'll show you here. So Neil here. So this is the mid-clean results. As you can see, look at that, what we've got there and underneath here versus what we've cleaned. But fundamentally you can see just the sheer amount of light and just the joy of being able to sit under here where they've got their entertaining area, without having all these dirty, filthy spots. And yeah, it just makes a huge difference. They've actually had this up for over 20 years now, so you know, they've never had it done, and it's been probably really dirty like this for about 5 years, they said. So there you go. Well worth doing, and a lot cheaper to clean it than it is to replace it. So this is the finished result. As you can see here, this is the roof, and look at this through here. It's come up absolutely glorious. Now I'll just go down below. Enjoy. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful results. Beautiful. Just remember, whenever there's an overlap, that's an area that's kind of hard to access, if not impossible, without actually breaking open the sheet. So that's what you're seeing there. But apart from that, it's just absolutely fantastic, and so much more light coming in through to this area. And I'll show you these areas here, which you can see now. It's just come up an absolute treat. That's my hose. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. And if we can help you with this, then do give us a call, and be happy to give you a quote.